Yo, what's up everyone? I am here today to unbox a brand new WEBER Master Touch Kettle Grill. I really hope you enjoy this video. We're going to put it together, so stick around. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. If you want, subscribe, hit that like button. It'd be great for your support, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Alright, let's see what we got here. Throw this open. Let's do this. I'm so excited. I love grills. This is going to be fun. Let's see what we're going to do here. Alright, get a little bit closer. Open this up so y'all can see. Ooh, yeah. Brand new, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna set this aside. Use that for a little mod that I'm planning. Alright. Oh, okay guys. This is one of the accessories this comes with. So these are these nice little charcoal baskets. Almost kind of like a slow and sear. A little WEBER version of it. It kind of helps with the little offside in the bowl. You can even go like this, so you can have offside offset smoking or cooking, or indirect, let's just say, and you could throw it down in the middle, or put it together, and then you can go around if you'd like. There's many different ways. We'll explore that later. All right, these are cool. I'm really excited. Little owner's manual right here. I always keep these. Keep your manuals in a safe place. You never know when you have to refer back to them for any like part numbers, that kind of stuff. I haven't bought in the WEBER kettle for a little bit, so we'll have to see what it is. Little different languages. I don't speak French, so we'll go with English. All right, good deal. Ooh, oh, that's right, it does. It comes with the different grill. We'll look at that real quick. The grill grate. All right, just a little pamphlet right here, just talking about the different little accessories you can get. That's a nice one. Little pizza stone, fits right in the circle. Again, we'll explore that later. All right, let's get that up there. Little WEBER Grills app pamphlet. Kind of talks about, let's see, getting to know your grill, ever evolving barbecue feed, so stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Kind of hooks you up, see what you can get for grilling tools, things like that. And yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, good deal. And I believe this might be the assembly guide. All right, one, download the free app. You can have a 3D app. That's actually of the instructions on how to build it. That's actually pretty good. That's not too bad. That's pretty cool. All right. So we got to put together the. Okay. All right. So let's take. Got to be careful with that. Nice brand new grill. Ooh, see, and this is what the Master Touch has on there. Has a nice little cool touch turn there for the your little vents on the top. That's actually, I really like that. Usually I have to take my shirt and kind of mess with that. Gently put it down on the cardboard. All right. What we'll do is maybe build it on top of this. Okay. Just flip the box over and then we'll do that. And this is your, hello, hey. That's what we get. All right, this is your handy dandy little ash pan right here. All our holders and cool touch handles. All right, let's put these to the side. Ooh, that's for the lid vent. All right. Nicely done. And little hubcaps. And thermometer. It does have a thermometer, which is always a great thing. So this would be your ash pan. It's kind of nice. It just works with this thing underneath, and kind of twist it out and go underneath and take it. And yeah. And this is right here. Goes on the bottom of the grill, and it kind of tells you, you know, it gives you little notches of where you want to be. A little bar handle goes to the side right here, and it's really nice and really helpful. This way you don't have to really mark. You just remember like the second hole, first hole, third hole, that kind of stuff. All right, so let's put all this to the side. Get this out of the way. Little tip. Whoa, look at this. All right, it's got. There you go. All right. Sorry, just try to be nice and gentle. Okay, so it's got the. Let's see if we can show it. It's got these already installed in here. These are kind of nice. These are the new little holes and extra holes, so when you have it closed, you could really get some low temperatures right here. Hopefully you could see this. Probably not, but oh well. All right, let's put this over to the side. Set this down over here until we can. All right. Woo. Man, let's take everything else out here. All right, got a wheel. These are some nice heavy-duty wheels, actually. That's pretty good. Okay, got another wheel. Slip that to the side, and just some more packing. There it is. This is a nice little warming rack, and it sits on top of your other rack, your grill grate. And you could have more up here. I mean, if you're trying to cool off a rack of ribs, or maybe if you wanted to just warm up some corn and put it on here, that's actually a good deal. I really like this. I was really looking forward to this one. Just almost for that reason. Okay, let's take these out. Got our legs, the ever famous WEBER 3 legs. And there we go. All right, put these to the side. Take these out of the box. Okay. And this would be the bottom little triangle that the wheels sit on, and the legs. Okay. And here it is. This is the special WEBER grate that comes with this. It has this right here. It's a little zip tied right now. I don't feel like taking that apart at this moment. But it comes off, and with those accessories like the pizza stone, it'll fit right in here, and a pot or a lodge skillet, anything like that. I'm not sure if a large skillet will fit in there. We'll see. Maybe future video. Okay. This also has the hinges for offset cooking. If you're gonna put extra coals in there, manage your fire. That's good. All right. This is a nice heavy duty one. Okay. All right. Put this one to the side. And let it fall. Okay. Standard charcoal grate goes on the bottom, on the inside, where your charcoal sits. Okay, a little hard in this small grate.